guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bit of a different TTC video for you, but it is something that I feel like needs to be addressed. If you've been watching my TTC series, you'll see in my recent video I got a false positive pregnancy test, and I wanted to explain how that happened and share that with you. A little bit of background: the day that I did the test, I wasn't really sure where my cycle was. I wasn't really sure if I was going to ovulate. I didn't know if maybe I was pregnant. Like, I didn't know where it was. So I tested for ovulation and pregnancy at the same time. So I use little test strips like these. I get them from eBay and they come in a bulk pack of like 20 or 30 of ovulation tests and pregnancy tests. They're super cheap and affordable, and they give me the answers that I need. With these, especially with the pregnancy tests, if you leave them after a while, they do tend to show a line, like an evaporative line or a fake line that you can just barely see. So keep that in mind. That's another different topic. But in this instance, I can actually show you how I got a line on the pregnancy test. I really wanted to share this with you because I don't want this to happen to anyone else. And if it has happened to you, you now know how it may have happened. I'm going to share a little clip with you where I've shown how I did it, and yeah.
So here is the pregnancy test and the ovulation strip test that I am going to be using today. And here is a positive ovulation test that I have done today. So here are the two strip tests, and I'm going to dip them in the urine just like this while they are touching. And I'm going to let them dry while touching. Okay, so they're pretty much dried, but the results come back within maybe like 5 or so minutes. But you can see that the bottom test, the ovulation test, is definitely positive. It looks better when it's dry. So I think I'll just come back in a few minutes and then show you. So you can see that the dye is just tapering on the edge of the pregnancy one and just working its way up, which is why, if this does happen, the result will seem not like a straight line. It will be uneven because the dye is coming from one side. Okay, so you can see at this time, sorry about the glare, but this is the ovulation test and this is the pregnancy test. You can definitely see the line creeping over from one side, showing a positive pregnancy test. That's how you get a false positive pregnancy test. If you by chance don't know where you are in your cycle and you test for these, this is definitely how it can happen. Over here we just have the ovulation test that I did before and a pregnancy test that I've also done before today, just so we know I have clearly I'm not pregnant, just ovulating. But yeah, there you go, guys.
So there you have it. There's how I got a false positive on a pregnancy test. Damn. But that's all explained now. I do know how I achieved it, and it's annoying. I won't ever do it again though. Yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.